Today we're gonna be showing off our new Jmancurly attack Roomba. Just saying, all sales are final if you buy it, no takesy backsies, and
Spider Roomba, activate!
now we will show off our new Roomba. It can climb up walls. It can also attack people. Attack that guy, Roomba. Attack this guy. He shoplifted. He shoplifted. Attack him, Roomba! No! Sorry, come here, 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 come here. Attack him! Attack him!
I'm attacking you.
Cut! Can we cut here? Can we cut here? Can we cut here?
No,
yeah, okay. Commercial break. Buy our Roomba. Trust me, it works. Bye.